Where's the remaining of this gap? Did it finish?
No.
The
108.91.
yeah, so it was like $2 to $3 left on it.
AMD. Which put the 111?
I'm going for the 112. So I'm gonna be safe and just play them
Yeah,
at the money, even
Would
in
you
the
play
money.
the low day into the start of the gap?
I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I did like the weakness because this thing did start to struggle at the top when NQ was still making highs.
The start of the gap starts at 67 cents for everybody. 111.67.
That's the start?
Yeah. Well, the low from yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah, I redrew my line there so I can know exactly.
Bro, I'd
where
be
it
up
starts
so
again.
nicely
How
right
much
now.
is left though?
All the way to
Like
108.91.
$2 to $3.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay.
I'm gonna smack somebody.
Positivo.
Amazon strong.
Bro, AMD looks so good,
AMD
bro.
is the weak one. Yeah, I like AMD. Yesterday that paid a big percentage, right?
This thing is
We all
so
missed it, but
weak.
yeah, them contracts are.
Which where's the entry you're looking for?
That's what me and Frankie were discussing. I don't know if
Maybe
day,
112 or maybe low day, yeah.
I like 111.70.
That's the safer entry for sure.
Yes, sir.
But look at this weakness compared to ES is bouncing right off that 43.93 since yesterday. It's been bouncing around that area.
Yep.
NQ.
That's what we like to see.
Yeah. So this looks good. It's just
Bro,
hopefully
I'd be up so insane right now.
we reject
Oh
again
my
here on
god.
ES.
Whatever.
4400 looks like a nice resistance now.
Now this is a falling knife if I do try this, if it keeps coming down.
Nice, Nor.
But with how weak this is, I really do like this at the low of day.
I've been a nice little scalp.
Yeah, so but the market was pushing higher with this, so it messed me up. For
Order
that.
filled.
AMD is getting there. I might try it at that 112 level.
If this gets above 112.50, I'll just stop out
It
there.
tried bouncing right there with the market, but couldn't. Let's see what happens.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
That's a
I
bounce
kinda
I
like
was
this
looking
bounce.
for. That's good though.
Damn,
That's
yesterday's
solid.
health was so crazy.
That's beautiful right there.
This is a good bounce
118
here.
down like.
It was only a 20-cent move, but it paid heavy because it was in the opposing direction. Those contracts, they did backflips.
There's no aggression when it's coming downwards, so I think I might skip this and wait for the low of day. Like I said, only way if I see heavy volume and aggression momentum come in. If not, then I'm probably just gonna skip that H.
Another green to red.
Volume just kicked up.
They're flushing
Order
this.
partially filled.
Volume's kicking up heavy now.
Order filled.
Yo, this could slip to like 430, 440. Oh my god, I think I sold too early.
If this hits 116, I'll just stop out right there. Look at that volume come in. That's a yeah.
Yeah, we still got a little bit of time to switch to AMD, fellas.
Yeah, it's 60 cents away. You're looking at the
Green to
112
red,
area?
almost.
Yeah, I think I like the 112 area.
Is Frankie still here?
Yeah, I don't know if I want to take an entry here at the H. At this
H.
112.50 area.
I kind of like the low of day, like 112.10 into 112.
That's where my alert's at. I don't know if I'm gonna take the entry there though.
Yeah, mine's at 112.20.
This is struggling though. If we could get a nice move on AMD, that thing pays.
Look, I have this. Could possibly bounce at that 40 cent area. Frankie, that's the reason why.
Or you know, a dollar move on AMD is 50%.
Oh, I see that, George. Yeah.
Say that again, Nor.
A dollar move on AMD is 50%.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like my stop being at 116. This trade makes sense for how big it can break down from 112.50.
Peaks on SPY.
Volume started to come up aggressively, then it slowed down, but let's see. They could buy this up aggressively. We've seen that at AMD all morning.
Right?
I do, yeah. I really am interested at that low of day. I just need to see how it comes down there though. Because we've seen some heavy buying pressure on it when it gets to these like crucial levels, so
I got it right at that trend right now. It's in a cleaner version.
See if the weakness gets aggressive here. Are you guys watching the PAL thing?
ooh,
Mine
here we
hasn't opened
go.
yet. Oh, AMD
Here we
slipping.
go.
See, look at that volume. I told you, once it gets beneath 112.50, that'll be a crucial area for it to get under. I could sell here and be break even on the day, but this is AMD's been weak. I like this.
I'm probably gonna enter around that 112.13 area.
Ooh, here we go.
I'm in.
This is fire, bro. Come on, man.
112. Obviously for
Oh,
AMD.
come
I wanna
on,
see if
baby.
This gets right through the trend because there's a trend right
I'm already
there.
up. I'm already up 800 on this.
Oh, it
Ooh,
broke right through.
yo, this is
I'm up
pain.
7% already.
Oh my
But I'm gonna wait a
god.
little bit. Not in heavy.
Wow. Let me set an alert if this gets back below 112.
The level we were watching is 111.67.
Yeah, correct. You waiting for that?
Yeah, that's my target.
Your target or your entry?
My target. I just got in at the 112.10. I'm gonna keep as tight stop loss though.
Yeah, I have a
like
light position.
Yeah.
Down
My
about
stop loss will
3%,
be
4%,
break
yeah.
even on this. Since I was already really heavily green on the trade, there's no reason for me to go really red on the trade. So I think I'm just gonna cut
I was
it at break
expecting a
even.
bounce. So we have that trend right there. So what needs to happen here is you need a green or red, and then confirmation.
That's
of
a
that
good
112
candle.
break,
That's a good candle
and I
to
can
see.
get that 111.70.
They tried to buy that up, but sellers are still here present,
I like-
which is good.
I like that rejection there.
Yeah, see, George even
Yeah,
said
I
something
need
about
any
it.
type
I
of
like
power
it.
Move up though.
No, I agree.
Yeah,
Contracts
that's
are
why it's
holding
good
up
to
well,
see
'cause
the
I'm still
selling
green right
pressure
now.
here.
I'm up 7%.
What's your stop losses, Benji?
I'm using any kind of push above 112.40 probably.
For me, it's
The push is
one.
above-
For me, it's 112.50.
Yeah. Last time we were at 112.40, I was down like 5%. So trying to take under a 10% loss.
Mine's probably gonna be 60. I got in slightly before y'all.
See, this isn't good now.
Yeah,
Like, it's climbing up here, but with low volume. So it's this
Another
trade
beautiful
still looks
rejection
good.
here. I like this. Just needs the bid needs to get pulled here harder.
The only thing with this, though, even if it keeps pushing up with that kind of low volume, I think I'm still gonna hit my stop on this. As much as time those usually come back down, I
See
think
that
I'll
algo
just
update on the 1 minute nor?
stop out on those. Oh yeah, it did.
Yeah, it's getting there.
This looks good here. Beautiful rejection off the.
If we get to yesterday's low, I'm gonna add. Most likely, I'm up nicely. I'm up 6%. So the contracts are still doing the right thing here, obviously, but it's still in an area where this can bounce. I just need this to get to yesterday's low, and then I'm gonna add to it because right now I have a light position, so I can kind of hold to wherever I want here.
It's right at that trend right now, so this really needs to pick up some steam.
Yeah, your stop losses are like 112.40, 112.50, right? Around that area.
Mine's
Yeah, that area.
See, senor.
Damn, Frankie's up crazy.
20. I thought I got in early. What you get in at?
Uh,
You got it at the
112,
trend break or what?
112.50. Yeah. I was in it for a minute. It took a while to break up there.
Yeah, because of that. But you see how now, if you draw that, you see how it turned from support to resistance. This looks good. It's under 112 now.
I'm-
Seeing what I got.
I'm probably gonna sell into the gap initiation or that low from yesterday.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I'm up 10%.
I'm up-
So you can obviously get out whenever you want. I'm up 12% now. But I'm gonna probably wait a little bit just because I have a super light position right now.
Order partially filled.
there you go.
Order filled.
I'll be smart about it and sell. There you go. I'm not one to scale out.
I don't like how
Just
they
to,
throw
take
it
some
above
stress off the
trend.
trade, and I'm green on the day now.
Lows
Yeah,
right
they
from-
just waked it above the
So,
trend right there.
Definitely less stress now.
It's a brand new 5-minute candle here.
George, you'll be proud of me. I scaled out some right there. So,
Ooh, nice. Yeah, you were up nicely too. So that was good. Your entry was fire.
I was like, you know what? Yeah, I had you in the back of my head, subconsciously saying just scale out. It'll take less stress off, and you'll be chilling.
And it does. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Come on. Green to red. Low-key making us work. AMD looked super easy yesterday.
These
Still up
contracts.
7% here.
I love the way these contracts are moving right now. They're not dying in value at all.
Market's pushing higher as well. I mean, for whatever is still in, it still looks alright.
I think I am gonna lower my stop though. ES is gone, dude.
About to hit my.
I need
Order filled.
this to stop
There you
here.
I hit my stop right there. My stop was break even at that point, so
It's fire.
I'll take that. I was really, if we would have gone that low from yesterday, bro, 40%, almost 50% trade easily for me.
I just got stopped out myself.